Hello, a very warm welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Pankaj Yadav, Consultant Pediatrics and Neonatology at Apollo Cradle Hospital, Gurgaon. Today we will be discussing about an essential aspect of newborn care, that is newborn screening test. And it is a safe and effective way by which you can screen your baby for medical and metabolic conditions. So let's discuss about them in detail. So newborn screening is a process where we test the baby before they get discharged from hospital very early in life. Here we check them for some of the common high risk factors which may not have symptoms initially, and it will help us to identify newborns early and so that they can be treated before they develop any complication and permanent damage to the newborn. Most of the developed countries are running their program where they are screening each and every baby before they get discharged from hospital. So how will my baby be tested? So we might be having a query. So it includes 4 tests. One is a metabolic test where we take few drops of blood and we test them for metabolic diseases. Next is a genetic test in which we look for the genetic diseases which are inherited from parents to their offsprings. And in hearing test we do OE and BERA, which is to identify the hearing part. And last is a pulse oximetry where we are looking for the saturations of baby. It will help to rule out the congenital cardiac diseases. So these are the tests that we do in newborn screening before discharge that will help us to screen the newborns. So my baby is born healthy, whether we have to do a newborn screening test in that? Yes, all the newborns must be screened for newborn screening test, even if there are no symptoms, because most of the symptoms will appear gradually, and even if there is no family history, even then we should screen the newborn for these conditions. It is crucial that we identify them early so that it can be treated and we can prevent the complications which can be even fatal in few newborns. What are the medical conditions that are screened in newborn genetic screening, newborn metabolic screening? So there are a large number of disorders that are screened, but common ones that we generally see around us are like congenital hypothyroidism, in which there is deficiency of thyroid hormone, which is essential for development of brain development and growth. And there can be cystic fibrosis, which involve lung and heart. Also there may be some other disorder like G6PD deficiency, in which there is red cell destruction, which leads to significant jaundice. So these are the few of the common diseases that we see around us, and we should be screened essentially. So we might be thinking whether it will hurt my baby during the newborn screening. So yes, we have to take blood samples. So the baby might feel minor discomfort, but it will not leave any scar, or it will not have any long-term effect. And the pain also can be reduced if baby is in the mother's lap, or if baby is breastfeeding. So it will also reduce the pain. And pulse oximetry and hearing screening are painless. It will not cause any pain. So it is safe to do a newborn screening test without any discomfort to the baby. So when and how to collect the sample? We just require a few drops of blood, 2 to 3 drops of blood, which are taken on a card test, and it is collected between 48 to 72 hours of life, ideally in first week, so that it is detected. If any abnormality is detected, it can be started on treatment early. Can it be done with cord blood? No, it is not possible to do the metabolic test with cord blood, because most of the metabolites that are tested are produced when the baby is on breastfeed, and so it is ideal to do after 2 to 3 days. Also during the birthing process, the values may not be accurate, like TSH may be abnormally high in just after the birth. So it is ideal that we do it after 2 to 3 days, that is 48 to 72 hours. So what if my baby's test is positive? Not all the babies whose test is positive or the value is out of range are positive for the disease. So as soon as we get to know that the test is positive, we should confirm it by doing a conformity test, as it is only a newborn screening test. So it is important that we do the conformity test, and if positive, then the treatment should be started early, because early treatment is the key to success of newborn screening. Thank you.